Design started around 2015. Previously there was about a foot of shoulder, so it wasn't very easy to pass anybody. By adding the widened shoulders, we can allow a lot of the cyclists to move up and down safely. And we added the crosswalk here in the median to make the crossing safer. One of the aspects of this project that was added was full depth reclamation, which is where they take existing pavement, grind it up and use that as the road base, and then pave over top of that. Yeah, it helps save time and money with hauling off the existing base, and then it's a reuse of the existing road so it doesn't go to waste. This corridor has a lot of large electrical and gas lines that go up and down that were unable to be moved, so we had to accommodate those with our designs.
With the number of abandoned utilities, it was always an adventure when you found something, had to identify it, construction would stop, start again. In addition to, in Schedule B, we had the wetland remapping with the city, so getting that as well as determining what governing agency was going to determine the flow rates between the city and county, because they each own one side of the culvert. So seeing who is going to say what size it needed to be was a challenge. I think the best part of the benefit to the community is connecting the Cottonwood and Lobo trails together for commuters and other pedestrians.
I think as you can see, there's a lot of bicyclists and pedestrians. A multi-use trail was included to add some connectivity to some existing trails in the area. It gets used quite frequently, so I think that's a real benefit to the community.
Collaboration, I think, is how I describe this project in one word. The number of entities and what it took to make sure everybody's on the same page. I think that we all wanted the same goal, but to get us there was constant communication and making sure that everybody's voice was heard.